No. This is Z's toy. Where are you going? Oh no, be careful right here. Your hands. No. Not okay. Not for you. So this right here, you just like that. I was looking at Halo's hair, and his hair is like, it's already, I kind of like, it was curling and then I just played with it and now it's all fluffy. But anyways, it has like shiny kind of like, I don't know, hair. It's kind of different. Z's hair is way more lighter and more brighter. This is like dark. It's not that light. It's kind of different. Because Z's hair is like, he looks just like his dad, but Z's hair is like orange. And this is like, I don't know, almost like my hair, but I think my hair was like a little bit more lighter. This is like my mom's hair, and oh my gosh, he looks like my mom. Oh, let's see, he have a scratch right here. He has a scratch right here and a scratch right here. I cut his hair, but he cut himself there, so it's like before me cutting his hair. He has a scratch right here in his eye. Oh, he wants me to do it for him. Here you go, right? Ready? He's so cute. He's gonna go around. Oh, he's not. No. Why would you do that? You're so funny. Alright, let's do this. See what you do here. I'm just like holding this light here. It's kind of, I wonder if there's like little lights for like, that was kind of different. Never had to do that before. It's kind of crazy. I feel like, is there lights for? I mean, I'm sure there are, but I was literally holding this whole entire thing. That is so heavy. Gosh, that's difficult. That is so funny. I've never held something before like that to do something in such a manner that I really needed to for a video. That is so funny. Oh, look at this. He has like a scalp type of thing right here. Oh no, he's gonna try to get up here. No, you're not gonna get up there. You're so funny. He's so funny. I'm gonna move it from him. He's funny. Hayla. 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 Let's go over here. Come on, you want to just crawl. Oh my gosh, he's about to reach it. I'm glad he didn't reach it. I feel like I almost look like him, almost just a little bit, but not that much because I do not have those type of eyes. I feel like he's like one of those Japanese babies. Those are not my eyes. And my mom has a little bit more of rounder eyes than that, so that's definitely not my eyes, but I think I look like my dad more than my mom, but he looks like my mom, like a lot. I don't know, I still feel like my mom has a lot more rounder eyes. He looks a little different. He's funny, look at him. He is so funny. Hey, Hayla. 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 Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You wanna go? What? Oh, that's the light there. Kind of like this light. Gosh, what a sad type of way to treat Earth. Like, we have all this beautiful type of technology, but like, all right, so we find ways to make lights like this last for 2 hours, and Earth is just treated like poop. Like, this light right here can last for like, I don't know, I would say like almost an hour or a little more, and that's good. And there's more that lasts like 2 hours, and you want to create a light that lasts, and you're willing to pay for it so much. But then, like, when you have the things that are so worth it, like, gosh, man, I'm just having a really hard time right now because, like, I could have had something, and I don't treat the earth like poop, you know? Like, I'm not a bad person, but, like, I'm just, like, saddened how, like, I'm literally getting cyber stalked, and I'm not supposed to be in the knowing of what is happening. Like, that's just annoying to me that, like, there's so many beautiful things on this earth, and I deserve it because I want something, not just to have it, but to, you know, do things like this. Normal things. Like, everyone wants to just record their little baby, and then people that have the things, like, they just, like, either are all followers, or they're just, like, abusing people or stalking people, or other things that they do. They might be also like trying to just have fun, you know, naturally, and it's just so annoying. Like, can't even think of something, like, be so happy about it because they're literally right there above you for no freaking reason. Like, they're going into your house for no freaking reason. Like, I literally want to say no fucking reason, because why the fuck would someone want to come inside of my fucking house? For what? I don't fucking get it. Why the fuck did you want to tell Korjuk to fucking abuse of me? I don't fucking get these fucking cyber stupid ass rats. Kim's stupid ass, always fucking pretending like it's not her. Why in the fuck is she stalking me? There is no reason for these cyber rats to be stalking me. It's not even a joke, and they still want to make it a joke. Literally, I did nothing to these stupid ass people for no fucking reason. Good thing he doesn't even know what I'm saying, because I'm so upset. Because look, you want to come up with some ideas, and because of how they treat you, how they set people in poverty areas just because of their race, like, you can't even just set the idea of just wanting to just create something so good that would just be great for you. You see, you need the light, it's beautiful, this and that, blah blah blah. And then it's just like, why even talk about what you want if it's like they're already reading your mind, or it's not you, or now they want to involve you, or now they want to tell you of something, or now you can't even think of something, now you can't even make something so simple with anything you have in your house because now it's their idea, or just stupid things, you know? Like, now they're selling it, now you're still poor. Like, it's just annoying. Literally, I don't even know these fucking rats. Literally, I'm nobody. Like, literally, I'm not. My parents don't even know these freaking rat people. Stalking people for no reason. I don't fucking know these nasty ass. Ugh, they're so disgusting. Like, even just the thought of knowing that they came inside of my house for no freaking reason, and they bugged my house for no reason. You hear them all over the place. I don't even know these rats. It's so annoying. My son got sick, and they were in here talking, trying to make the lady take my son from me because he got sick, and I went to go to the freaking hospital because his butt hole was just swollen inside out, and I'm a parent, and I don't even know what they're doing to people. It really just pissed me off because that's not right what they're doing, you know? Like, I'm not the only parent that they're doing this to, so it's sad, you know, because people go crazy for their parent, for their child, but they don't really care. Get over here, Hayla. Hayla, come over here. Now, Hayla! Oh, she is funny. No! Hayla! Playpen? Let's go. Let's go to the playpen, Hayla. Hayla! Let's go. Let's go to the playpen. Come on. I already told you. I told you. Come on. Let's go. Do you want to go to the playpen? Yes. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I literally tell him that, and like after a couple of times I'll probably get upset or not, you know. It just depends what he's doing, because he's gonna probably want to go and do something just because. But I mean, oh no, he's just gonna want that. He's really looking at it. So I think, yeah, he wanted that. That's it. He has it. No way. He doesn't want it. What does he want? No, Hayla. No, Hayla. No, Hayla. No. He's cute. He looks like one of those little, like if he should have been a twin or something, like those little Chinese babies. Like a little mixed baby. But, I don't know. It's kind of different because my dad's, like, family, like, my mom's mom is, like, dark Indian, kind of, probably also, like, but my dad's probably closer to black because his dad's dad is black, was black. And, so one of my brothers came out like him. And exactly, like, probably a little lighter because he's a lot more lighter, actually. And then my other brother, he came out like Z's color, actually a little bit darker than Z. That's crazy, actually, because he literally came out darker than Z. And one of them is as tall as my dad, and the other one's like just looks like my dad. So it's like kind of the same thing, but sometimes I even want to just go and check if he is Abayomi's son, because like I'm scared, you know, like people really came inside of my house for no reason. Can you believe that? Like, it's so sad. Like, they didn't even care. I mean, it's nothing I can do about it, so I'm not gonna cry about it, but that's fucked up. That's nasty too. Why would they even want to be touching me for? Stupid. I'd shoot them if I could. I wish I could. Like, I really do. It's disgusting. I'm so disgusted right now. Literally, just because they don't like me, or just because they want to set me up, or just because they have drones and they want to help someone inside of my house, just because they can, just because they're cooler than everyone and they have all these types of advanced technology tools and things and everything just to do whatever they want with people. It's really annoying. Man, I just don't like it. There's no reason for me to live in a house that I can't have fixed up the way I want it, when I could have already had something a lot more than this. It's just so stupid. Literally. Oh, like an idea. I always think about like Travis Scott because he was a kid in a commercial, so he was paid. He's like a rich person now, like super super rich. So it just like when I thought about it, like the first time I was like, oh wow, like he was a kid in a commercial back in the day. So then I think about it like, wow, I could have even had way more too. Like, was it so stupid? So stupid. Literally, I didn't even get the opportunity to live a natural, normal life because I was always thinking about something an elder man could have done to me or did to me, or whatever had happened when I was a little girl and I got babysat. And something happened that I don't even know what happened. Like, it's just still so confusing to me. But it's just like, oh, do you want to be rich? Oh, no, you're not going to be rich now. And now because of something someone else just doesn't like me for, now I'm like living this life where I can't even think straight anymore. I can't even think of wanting to go to college. No, you're not going to go because you're Mexican, and Mexican people are like, you know, man, the shit that I hear, it's as if like it's really fucked up, but it's really cyber stalkers this whole entire time. Hayla, he wants the ball. You can have the ball, okay? You can have the ball. Go in there. Oh, you can. The ball is over there. Come on. Over there. Over there. The ball is over there. The ball is right there. Oh, you're not gonna see it, huh? Come on. You're getting a little cold. So one of my sons has a sickle cell trait. And it's kind of stupid too, because he had all the exams taken at the hospital and everything was fine, and he got everything his first months. Next thing you know, a couple months later or something, they say he has a sickle cell trait. I was like, what the fuck? Like, that doesn't even make sense, because his dad doesn't have it. I don't have it. I mean, his dad better not have it, you know what I mean? Like, fuck. Why do you want to take the ball over there? Get the ball and come over here. That sucks. Poor babies nowadays. He's really going over there now. That is so horrible. Hear that shit? It's not even gonna happen. I'm gonna go.